Hey guys, I am Dipankar back with another video. Today I am unboxing the new POCO C75 5G and sharing my first impressions. I have been using this device for a while now, but I am still not ready for the full review. That will take a few more days. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming video. Now let's quickly unbox this phone. Inside the box, you will find the POCO C75 5G, a USB-C charging cable, a charging adapter, a SIM ejector pin, and the user guide. Nothing fancy, but it's all you need. Let me point out something. This phone feels very similar to the Redmi A4 5G. The design, specs and overall build are nearly identical. I thought it is important to point it out here. The POCO C75 5G feels nicely built and solid in the hand. It's got a plastic build, but it does not feel cheap. The design is clean and simple, featuring flat edges that give it a modern look. On the right, you will find the volume rockers and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On the left, there is a SIM card tray where you can add 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card for storage expansion. At the bottom, there is a USB-C port and the speaker grill, while the top edge houses the 3.5mm headphone jack, a nice addition for those who still prefer wired headphones. It is 8.2mm thick and carries a weight of about 204 grams. So it is definitely a big phone, no doubt about it. The IP52 rating is also there for making it splash proof, something good to see in a budget phone. The phone comes with a 6.88-inch HD Plus LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's a big screen, which is great for watching videos, playing games or scrolling through social media. High refresh rate makes sure your experience is smooth. Now the bezels are a bit on thicker side, especially the chin at the bottom. But considering the price point, it's completely acceptable. There is a water drop notch at the top which houses the 5MP selfie camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a rock-like texture that feels good. Design is subjective. Some people might like it, some might not, but I think it adds a unique touch. You also get a dual camera setup here inside the large circular module. The main sensor is 50MP paired with a secondary auxiliary camera and an LED flash. The 50MP branding is also clearly visible on the module. Now coming to the internals, we have the Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM. This hardware is good enough for basic tasks like calling, messaging, social media and some light gaming. It runs HyperOS based on Android 14. There are also a few pre-installed apps, including some apps that you don't need and some games that you don't want. Good thing is that you can uninstall these apps. You will also see ads at a few places, and it's important thing to know about the phone. You get 64GB of storage which you can expand via microSD card. I will talk about the performance, gaming and multitasking thoroughly in my full review video, so stay tuned for that. One important thing you need to know. This phone supports 5G standalone networks only. If you are on Jio, you won't have any issues because Jio runs on a 5G SA network. However, if you use Airtel, which relies more on 5G NSA, you may face limited compatibility, so keep this in mind before making a purchase. The phone packs a 5160 mAh battery that should easily get you through a full day of usage, maybe even more. It supports 18W fast charging, but POCO only includes a 10W charger in the box. So that's the POCO C75 5G unboxing and my first impressions. In my next video, I will dive deeper into the performance, camera samples, gaming experience and battery life. So if you want to know whether this phone is worth your money, make sure you are subscribed. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.